This is the newer style BMW key fob from a 2025 X5 M60. And if it stops working with your car, it likely just means that you need to change the battery, and it's super simple to do. Let me show you how to do it. All you need is a 2032 battery, easy to get everywhere, but I'll put a link down below on Amazon if you want to check one out there. To open up the fob, you turn it over. There's a button here on the back. You press that button in and this side piece will pop off. Set that aside. On the inside here is the manual key if you ever need to use that for any reason. And the battery sits in a little drawer right here. You can either pry it with your fingernails, or if you have delicate nails, you can take a flathead and just very gently move it out a little bit, and you can pull it out the rest of the way with your fingers. On the inside of the drawer here, there is a positive, you can see there, and the battery has a positive there, so battery goes sort of upside down, as it would seem. Slide it back into that drawer, and then you put this piece back on. I found sometimes this piece takes a little finagling to get back on. Slide it back in, and that's it, that easy.